everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Click the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and let's be
Hello, love
friends. Hi everybody, happy Monday. Oh, I'm so glad it's Monday. It's a fresh start. It's a brand new week. It's all the things that I love. I love Mondays so much. I don't know why. Okay, if you are new to my channel, you're probably thinking to yourself, what did she say? She likes a Monday. Girl, let me tell you, I love Monday. Fresh start, new beginning, new week, new things. I'm so excited about today. Okay, first off, today, we're going to do some decorating. We are going to decorate my coffee table. We're going to decorate the front entrance or slash sofa table, okay? Because my space is itty bitty. Hopefully in this video, we will get to do this little like wall thing I want to do over by the staircase. And I have a DIY, so let's hope we get all that into this video. If not, we'll have to do it another day. But before we do all that, okay, two things. I went shopping. I know what y'all are gonna say. Why are you shopping? You're leaving. I know, but I can't help myself. Y'all, I can't help myself. Okay, I am a shopaholic. Like, literally a shopaholic. Like, nothing brings me more joy than going into stores and, like, looking at beautiful things. Jewelry, clothes, makeup, schmakeup, home decor. You name it, I want it. Now, I went to Hobby Lobby and I went back to Marshall's. And I was literally looking for home decor. Now, what I found at Hobby Lobby, I'm going to show you this because we're going to use this today for the coffee table. Look how beautiful this is. Y'all, okay, so I found it like in the middle section. Okay, I don't know how to explain that. Anyways, it's these little flowers. I know these have a name and I can't remember the name of them, but this was very inexpensive. It was $14.99 for this. Isn't it pretty? I wish the camera would do it justice. So it's like very light gray black, but then it's crackle and it's a little distressed here and here. I love stuff like this, and I thought even this alone was worth it. But then when it all came together, I thought, oh yeah, we need that, Bella. I will be taking this to Florida, okay? Don't worry. Then I want to refresh. Y'all, I might be leaving in like a couple weeks, but here we are. I wanted to refresh the kitchen a little until, whatever. I saw this. This is cute as ever. Hold on, I'm reaching over to get it. This was so inexpensive, y'all. First of all, it comes on an easel. Look at that. Isn't that cute? This is so like aesthetically pleasing. Wait till you hear the price of this. First of all, you would think that something like this on an easel would be like $15.99, $14.99, something like that. Yo, this is only $6.99 in the kitchen section. Look how cute. So cute. I love it. I love the green. I love this green. This color green, this like, I call it the Martha Stewart green. Speaking of Martha Stewart green, look what I found. Now, this was 50% off, and I want to know in the comments down below if any of you have bought these. I got a sheet set. It's this beautiful, like, paley Martha Stewart green, okay? If any of you are my age, you know what I'm talking about. Martha Stewart used to use this color in everything. I think she had cabinets in this color once upon a time. Okay, so it's the king size, and it was $31.99 with 50% off. Y'all, you can't even buy that at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. And it's super, super soft. I'm going to throw it in the wash and tell you how it is. Now, I want to know, tell me in the comments down below, has anybody bought these at Hobby Lobby? Or am I, the the one trying. But I thought for 50% off, why not? Why not try it? Okay. Then we went to Marshall's. Hold on, let me grab them closer. Okay, so Marshall's. You know, I've done a couple of videos showing Marshall's stuff, and I've been like obsessed of finding like like things on super clearance. When I came across these, I have two of them. When I came across these, they were on an end cap at the very bottom, so clearance. Okay, crazy clearance. So okay, first of all, it's a tray. Okay, there's the beautiful wood tray with these gorgeous silver and gold. Do y'all know who Michael Aram is? Okay, he's like they sell them at Macy's, and they're very expensive. Very expensive, okay? And all the rage. Like, people love them. Anyways, this is very Michael Aram, dupe. This was originally only $16.99, which I would have bought this at $16.99. But let me tell you how much I got this for. $4.50. Look at this, y'all. Look at all the yellow tags. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? I hope you've been shopping these yellow tags. Then I got the smaller one. Isn't it cute? It's cute. The small, I think the smaller one, I don't know why. I may or may not. We'll see. I wanted to put I could put like perfumes on it. Really, I got them because I know that I'm going to use these in when we move into the house, my house. I've already deemed it my house. To the house in Florida. There's something very weird going on outside. I'm sorry. I'm like seeing shadows and stuff. I don't even know what's going on. Anyway, I'm going to use them in the kitchen. So that's why I got them. But I'm going to use this one on the coffee table today. So I think these are really, really cute. Okay. So now we are going to do some decorating. I want to show you what I want to do with the coffee table. And I'm going to throw those sheets in the wash and see how they turn out. And then we're going to go over to that side over there. And we're going to zhuzh it up and spruce it up and make it look fantastic. All right, y'all. So I will roll the clips now. Okay, friends, let's style this coffee table. So I'm starting off with the bigger one of the trays. And do you all do this? Do you all style your coffee tables, or do you just leave your coffee tables empty? Like, I love styling a coffee table. I like having interest. And I'm just showing you the price of that again. $14.99. Y'all, this is a really good price. And they had a lot of like pre-made potted plants in that section that in really beautiful vessels. Anyways, I got this little candy dish. I actually thrifted this, I think last year. I love it. It's milk glass. I just threw in some candy because, you always got to have a little candy. And then I got this this candle sniffer. That's what it's called, right? Yeah, candle sniffer. Y'all, I have a really expensive one in storage. Sorry for the filming. But this one's from Dollar Tree. So you can get the same look for way less. And of course, we're going to need a candle. So I like to corral things on a tray. So I got this pretty tray. This is from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's a Mackenzie Child dupe. But it's very, very well made. It's beautiful. It's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. But I absolutely love it. And then my heart candle, which obviously you see that I have burnt quite a bit. And I think I got this last year at Aldi, for all places. But it's a really pretty candle. Okay, and then the last thing, because I like grouping things in threes, obviously, I have a kitchen trivet, y'all. Kitchen trivet. But it matches the aesthetic of the table because of the black and white. And I wanted a little more black and white. And then I just got this cute little candle holder. It's a Cinderella's thing or little crown. I don't know. I don't even know what it is. You just put a tea light in it. That's all. And there's the final look. So you tell me, do you decorate your coffee tables? Okay, here's my little DIY. I really want to make this like art wall, okay? I know farmhouse is out. A lot of people are saying farmhouse is out, but I really want to make an art wall. So I got this like cheapy frame from Dollar Tree. I've used it a whole bunch of different ways. I've styled it a whole bunch of different ways. And then I got this idea of doing like a 3D art thing in it to put in my wall. And I want to tie in the colors. You'll see. So I got these butterflies from Dollar Tree. And I want to put them on the back of the black background because I think it'll stand out nice. But I'm going to cut them out, and then I'm going to cut them out before I glue them in, like on the backing, and then place them around how I want them placed. And then I'm going to peel off the sticker and then stick them on, like gently. So you get my idea. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? There we go. Okay, now I've taken them off the backing and I've stuck them on. Now let's go make this wall. Okay, so this is the wall. When you come into my house, it's on your left, and it's the staircase going up, and you can tell it's a big blank wall. It's really boring. There's a horrible light. I don't want to change the light fixture. I'm not into doing all that right now. But I thought, let's give it some interest. So I'm going to start with this mirror, okay? And I had this mirror, then a picture, then, what? It's a planter, y'all. It's a wall sconce planter, right? I think that's what it's called. I got this at a thrift store. Then an art piece, and then our little DIY. Now you're probably thinking, what the heck? And then two more pictures, or another picture and a little mirror. And then I'm going to put some greenery and flowers in here. And the colors are all going to tie into that little butterfly thing that we made. See the purples and the pinks and creams? And they all tie in together. And these are so pretty, y'all. I think I got these at Walmart. There you go. There's the wall. All done. Oh, yeah. And I put back my my little plant stand with a vase in it. So now I think it gives you lots of interest. And I think it looks really, really good. I'm really happy the way it turned out, actually. I'm just going to give you a short, very minimal thing. I got my two vases that I absolutely love. I got them, well, maybe a year, more than a year ago, I think, at Hobby Lobby. They're beautiful. For the springtime, they're gorgeous. And they really match my aesthetic and things that I love. And then just these planters, and there's the view of the living room, y'all. And I think it looks really cute. I'm really happy the way everything kind of turned out. I have the it's early in the morning, so yeah, and that's it for my hallway table. Okay, friends, that is the end of the video. Make sure you give this video a big, big, big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Make sure you send me a comment, y'all, and tell me if you like the video. And what are you all doing? Oh, I forgot to tell you all. Okay, tonight, tonight is Monday. Cannot wait. I'm going to see the new Dracula movie. I can't wait, y'all. Do any of you love these kind of movies? First of all, it's romantic and all the things. Love. Okay, so tonight that's what I'm going to go do. And I hope you liked the video. I hope you got some inspiration. I hope it gave you some ideas to think outside the box, to go buy things, like always. Like, just we're a consumer nation. We can't help it. I can't help it, y'all. I can't help it. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. This week, finally, I'm gonna show you my outdoor Valentine's decor. It's gonna last like 2-3 days, and then I'm gonna switch it out to St. Patrick's Day, I think. Maybe Mardi Gras. Should we do Mardi Gras, y'all? What do you think? We should do Mardi Gras. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, that's my thinking. But I want to show you my Valentine's Day decor. It's finally a little warm enough. I'm looking outside. It's a little warm enough to show you. But I hope you liked today's video. And I hope you got some inspiration from it. And I love you all very, very much. Have a wonderful week ahead. And I'll see you very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.